Welcome to Mills Tavern. Our restaurant is really based on seasonality, so we change our menu 4 times a year with the change of the seasons, and our focus is really on all the fresh produce, seafood, and meats that come from local vendors.
Basically, the heart of any of our dishes comes from my heritage. I'm half Lebanese, half German, and a lot of the Lebanese culture comes through in the food that I do. There's so many different types of cuisine, so many different types of restaurants, and so many different types of people. That's the big thing. And each of those cultures brings something culinary-wise to the table. And you know, I take bits and pieces from everybody here. I am not responsible for this menu. They are responsible for this menu.
Okay, right.